Meet Mama. Mama is a victim of abuse who is as sweet and loving a little girl as she can be. Her former owners fell on hard times. Their home was foreclosed on. They were evicted, lost everything, moved into shared family circumstances with people that they didn't even know, and the landlord said, "Sorry, no pets." The family was desperate. We took them in to rescue them, foster them, and she had two-week-old puppies. Meet Mickey. Mickey, you'll notice, has a little bit of white on his muzzle, like Mama is white and tan. The father is a black and tan Chihuahua, so they are full-blooded Chihuahuas, and the father is a 3-pound Chihuahua. Meet Minnie. Minnie looks just like her mom, and she is right now all legs and excitement and energy and happy love. These are very well-adjusted, socialized, sweet babies. And I promise you that they have got a lot of love to share.